wonder how deep that is. Que lo más hondo, like what deep?
Yeah?
How deep is this? Do you know?
Pretty deep.
Pretty deep. What's that bridge over there?
That's the Indian River.
That's an Indian River?
The Indian River. Right down the bottom of the Banana River.
So you got an Indian River and a Banana River? Ah, no se ve acá. Someone said they want a yacht. A yacht. Ooh. Is that where the Victory Cruise Casino passes by too?
No. It's in the Banana River. At Cape Canaveral.
Oh, that's where the rocket was out this morning.
I don't think it went up.
It did go up. I saw it on the news. Damn, it looks nice. So is this part of the ocean?
A lot of people fishing.
Well, they got grouper fish. Nice, alright, so this is Banana River. Why is it called Banana River? Because there's a lot of bananas.
It's a banana river. It's a banana.
Oh, it's actual banana?
Actual banana.
Damn, I can feel the... Oh, this is nice. Woo.
There's a lot of people at the
Someone's
beach.
kayaking, you know, there's a lot of kayakers.
And a lot of people at the beach. Jetty park. Oh, you have to have a pass to get in the jetty park.
Jetty Park.
A pass holder.
For what? To...
I guess you gotta buy it online or something.
So here comes another bridge, guys.
Port Canaveral's closed.
Well, you know, there is a lot of people fishing and...
Damn.
Oh, that's a nice
Oh,
boat.
I forgot to bring the pad.
The pad.
Yeah, the boogie pad.
Oh, I thought you were talking about another type of pad. Wonder where the cruise boats are at.
Yeah.
What are they right there?
At the beach. That's what's life. Look at that. Everybody wanted to come to the beach.
Yeah, we missed the beach. We were trying to get... Oh, you know. It's everywhere.
And there's plenty of parking here.
You wanna freaking stop here?
No, pero como que esa playa, you can get it.
Yeah, you can, but...
You can. That is part of the...
Well, I don't know how deep it is. Like, I can't swim. That's why.
Damn.
That's a lot. Oh, that is beautiful.
A lot of people.
Where's the cruise boats? Ni se ven, ¿verdad?
Sí.
There's somewhere around here. Got that Disney road. You got the... Is that part of the Indian River? Banana River? Man, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Well, that's a lot of boats. Blue Point? I've heard of Blue Point.
The thing is, I do not know if there's gonna be parking.
I wonder if it's gonna be packed. Watch. Because it's Saturday, it's gonna be Memorial Day weekend.
Today is Sunday.
Oh, Sunday? Oops. Oops. My bad.
But 6 feet.
I haven't been at Cocoa Beach in a while. 6 feet?
They got, no que vas, no está nublado.
No, I think there was just bird poop in a Victory Casino.
Not like that over there, but that's private property.
We'll get arrested for that.
Welcome to the city of Cape Canaveral.
So we're in Cape Canaveral. Wonder if the shoe show is open.
No, because you can't touch them.
Coronavirus. Yeah, so this is the piers closing. Right on this around cruise ship. Desde aquí. Holy crap. So guys, welcome to my another video. I'm here at the beach with my brother, and also just went inside. So as you can see, I'm about to show where he's at. You'll see him in an orange shirt, really close. Oh, there he is. Looks like he's about to be scared, but he's not. So stay tuned. Hopefully he'll go in the water. He's just testing it. He says it's like 70 degrees in there, but there it is. Oh, he's about to jump. There he is. Holy crap. He looks like he's a little scared, but he hasn't been here in a while, so he's just getting used to it. Yeah, he is giving the chills. There it is. He got closer. Oh my god. There it is. Holy crap. He looks like he's a little scared. Looks like a little kid doing it, but oh, there it is. Holy crap. Oh my god. He went in. There's some big old waves going on here, but he looks just a little scared off. I know it's a little 72 degrees going on here, but look at that. It's a big old wave. He looks like he wants to go in, but he doesn't want to yet. Oh, he's waving back. Oh, he's giving the chills. He's getting the chills. He knows how to swim, so he's a good swimmer. So you guys saw that. He's going in there and swimming. He loves the water. He loves it. I tried it earlier. It's 72 degrees. But, hopefully I'll try it on next time. So if you want to check out some more of the, some more beaches, we're here in Cocoa Beach, which is the most beautiful, most amazing, beautiful beach I've been to so far. He still hasn't gone in, so, but yeah, once again, I'm still here at the tent. Took a little break. I can't believe I'm wearing a golf shirt here in the beach. You know, typical Floridian going on here. So, I still want to record more about my brother, but he's having too much fun. I'm just here chilling. Let's see if I can zoom once again. Where'd he go? There he is. Can't see him anywhere. Yeah, look how much sand I got already inside this tent. So yeah, here at the beach still. Can't see my brother because there's like so many people going on here, but there he is again. He still hasn't gone in. Amazing. Let's see if I get a little closer. Yeah, I can still see him. It feels like he's still filling up the water. Still see what's going on here. Crazy. Alright, man. Look how beautiful this looks, man. Oh, heck no. So I'm here with my brother and the beach getting the tan. I look like a freaking, I look like Weekend and Bernie's going on here. Well, there he is. We're both wearing orange shirts, so we don't have to get lost. But I got a little bit of tent here, thanks to my sister. Got a tent. Look at the waves, man. Look at the waves. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, heck yeah. No quería venir, man. I didn't want to come. Look at this. Mira, 3 boats. Mira los barcos de Cristóbal Colón. Hear me? Holy crap. But got the gold.
Are they operating?
I don't know.
I got my glasses too.
Oh my god. I think I'm gonna get farther. Hold on.
Que hubiera cabido la otra aquí adentro.
Mira. I look like a. ¿Cómo se llaman esos? They're stuck in the seashell. Alright guys, so once again, this is the first time in a long time that we're here at the Cocoa Beach. We're gonna get a badass tan. Mira. My brother came all prepared, sunscreen and everything, so he won't get darker. But I found these glasses they got from Universal Studios a while back. They're open, but I'm here at the beach. This is gorgeous, guys. Look at this. That's beautiful. The pier. That would have been a good spot to take a picture and video on the pier. There's a lot of people here. There's everywhere. Ooh, that's cold. That's fucking cold, guys. Holy crap. That's really cold. I don't want to get stuck here. I don't know how far this is. That looks a little... Oh, I got closer. So you got the pier up close. They got some good waves. I'm just scared to go in there and... Oh, it feels good. Fresh air. Look how far this is, man. Woo! Oh, ch. Oh my god. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my god, it looks fresh. Oh. So once again, I'm here at the beach. He is so comfortable.
Huh?
How comfortable are you?
That's nice.
It looks nice, isn't it? So I traded spots with him.
I'm gonna buy one of these.
We're gonna have to get sunburned. Oh, so I traded spots with him and... So I'm sitting on a chair that says it holds weight. I had 225 pounds, but I weigh like 250 pounds. So I'm not scared to break it. So I broke some chairs before. So I am sitting right on it. Yeah, it won't look right if I sit there with you. Look at that. Oh man. Oh, that's kind of funny. We're still in the beach. So it looks beautiful out here in the beach. The waves were heavier earlier. My brother said he's gonna go in later on today. And look at the pier. The pier looks beautiful. There's 3 cruise boats out there. You can probably see them from far away. Let me see how close I can. Yeah, you can probably see one from here. I don't know if they're working, but we're in a good spot. Oh, he got up. I tell you, this is tiring. Yo tampoco, so. Oh man, yo también. I was getting And I have a toothache. I didn't tell you about that one. Yeah, you don't see the swollen cheek? Oh, this is my regular cheek. Oh, he's gonna go snorkels and look for a shark.
No, but I ain't got the snorkel thing.
Es un turista. Look at you. I've never seen the movie Weekend at Bernie's. And once again, the waves are crazier here, so wish I could go in and check out the waves, but there are a lot of people. I'm glad.
You gotta stay hydrated.
Oh yeah. Nah, I'm allergic to sunscreen. I'll get all pimples all over my face. I think I already have a little bit, but a little pimple. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Da, 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 da. Na, 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 na. You look like you're inside a crib. You look like you're inside of a crib. Like a baby crib. So apparently he's scared to go inside the water. Yeah, the waves are too hard to, he's still scared, see what he's doing. He's just standing around. He said the water's too cold. But let's see, get a little close up. There he is. Jump in the water, bro, come on. You gotta jump in the water for my subscribers, come on. Jump in the water, don't be scared, my brother. Come on. Oh man, this sucks. So he's still standing around. He's still thinking about what to do. He's probably still full from the tuna fish that he ate. But I don't know. I don't know what he's doing. So I don't know what he's gonna do. So think about it, guys. Whoa. Come on, he got a little scared at first, but now he got more comfortable. Don't go too far, bro. Oh, he looks so cute. That's my big brother right there, guys. Once again, there he is. Come on. Oh, he say it's too cold. He say it's freezing in there. It's too cold in there. Oh, like crap. Oh, he looks so adorable. Oh my god. Yeah, stop standing around, swim. Swim around, bro, come on. You gotta swim.